Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about cattle farming in Spain. As you can see in these maps, dairy cattle is located mainly in the northwest of Spain, standing out Galicia and Asturias, whereas beef cattle is located in the west, mainly in Extremadura and Castilla y León. Beef cattle. The extensive system is located in typical Spanish pasture. This kind of farming system does not require facilities for cattle due to the fact that cows live outdoors. Copulation and calving are natural. The aim is producing the major number of calves with the major possible weight. Fattening farms are more complex with a suitable design. There must be a control of cow's diet. The aim is to obtain the best quality of meat and carcass with the minor cost. Beef cattle farms, which are made of concrete walls and insulated roof, have a width between 15–30 meters and a length between 50–80 meters. Pens take up an area of 120 square meters. Inside it there are 25 cows on beddings. Dairy cattle. The farming system is intensive or semi-intensive, with an exhaustive control of reproduction, feed and milk production. It is controlled by a skilled workforce. Animals are encaused inside the facilities. The aim is producing the major quantity of milk with the best quality. The farming units have a width between 30–40 meters and a length between 50–80 meters. Here you can see the facilities characteristics. Milking system. There are two methods: milking parlor and robotic milking system. In these videos you can see how to handle the cow's udders. In the milking parlor it is manual, while in the robotic milking system it is automatic. As a conclusion, Spanish beef cattle represent a percentage of 5.8 on the total farming production in Spain. On the other hand, dairy cattle represent a percentage of 6.1 on the total farming production of this country. Thank you for watching.